Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the new topic from grade 8 from the book R.S. Aggarwal, that is the rational numbers. This is the part 1. So this topic is not only for this one for R.S. Aggarwal, any curriculum can follow this one. So the concept is the same. So but I have given the exercise the same thing, it's the same questions from the R.S. Aggarwal book. So for the grade 8. So now let us see what is the rational numbers. So the rational numbers, actually the numbers whenever it is in the form of a by b, because it is in the fraction where a and b are integers and b should not be equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Why? B should not be equal to 0 because now if I write here 1 divided by 0, this is in the form of a by b, but if b is equal to 0, that means it is undefined. So b should not be equal to 0. It should be in the form of a by b, but b should not be equal to 0. So now let us see that exercise number 1a. So here they have said express minus 3 by 5 as a rational number with denominator should be 20. So here minus 3 by 5, so you have to make the denominator to 20, means that already 5 is here, so 5 fours are 20. So since this is multiplied by 4, so the numerator also should be multiplied by 4, that will be minus 12 by 20. Same over here now, they said the denominator means that should be minus 30. So now we are going to follow the same number minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5, just concentrate on the denominator. To make it to minus 30, we need minus 6. So this is minus 6, so numerator also should be the same number. So that will be, now here minus and minus becomes plus, so 6 is 18 and this is going to be minus 30. Here the denominator should be 35. So already we have minus 3 by 5, so it should be multiplied by 7. So since this is multiplied by 7, this also should be multiplied by 7, that will be minus 21 by 35. Here minus 40 means it should be 5 into minus 8. So here also will be minus 8. So minus minus becomes plus, so that will be 8 3s are 24 by minus 40. So now here they said express minus 42 by 98 as a rational number with the denominator should be 7. So this actually is a big number, and when you want a denominator as 7, so what are you going to do for this one? So we can do one thing, this 98, because we want a denominator should be 7. So 98, if you are dividing it by 7, 7 ones are 7, that will be 28, 7 fours are 28. So when we divide this by, this is the quotient. So when we divide this by 14, that will be 14 7s are 98. So this should be divided by 14 and this also should be divided by 14. So that will be, here will be, because this is minus, 14 3s are 42. So this is going to be 3 divided by 7. 14 7s are 98. So we want the denominator should be 7. Now here the denominator should be 5. Again the denominator here is 60, so 60 divided by 5, so it should be 5 ones are 5 and this will be 10, 5 twos are 10, so the quotient is 12. So 60 divided by 12 should be 5, so this is divided by 12 means this also should be divided by 12, and here 12 fours are 48, so here minus 4 by 5 is the answer. 12 5 is 60. Express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. So now this minus 12 by 30 is given and you have to express this in the standard form. So what are we going to do here? So the numerator and the denominator, we are going to take the HCF of 12 and 30. Don't look at the sign, only the numbers. That will be 12 and 30. When we take the HCF of that, to find the HCF of that, what we do? We do this with the help of the prime factorization. That is, you will take the factors of 12. So these are the factors of 12. 30, these are the factors of 30. So now you know HCF means we take only the common one. So these are the factors, means 12, 2 into 2 into 3, and this is 2 into 3. So what are the common numbers over here? This is 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, that is going to be 6. So HCF of these two numbers is 6. So now what are you going to do? This number you are going to divide it by 6. the denominator as well as the numerator you will divide by 6. So here 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. So that will be minus 2 by, because this is minus, so that will be minus 2 by 5 is the answer. Now when it is minus 14 by 49, again here we will do the same. We will take the factors of 14 and 49. So 14 factors are 2 and 7. 14 and 7 and 7. So what is common is 7. So it is 7. So you are going to divide by 7. So 7 7s are 49 and this will be 7 2s are, so minus 2 by 7. Again for this one, factors of 24 and 64. You can have a check over here. So the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2, that is going to be 8. So you are going to divide this by 8. This also you are going to divide by 8. That will be 3 by, because here is minus in the denominator, so that will be minus 8. So 3 by minus 8. Here 36 and 63. So the factors of 36 are here. 63 is here. So now what will be common from here? Same thing, the factors I have written over here. So the common things are here, 3 and 3, that is going to be 9. So you are going to divide by 9, both the places, numerator as well as the denominator. So 9 4s are 36 and this is 9 7s are 63. Both is negative. So what will happen here? Whenever there is negative in the numerator as well as the denominator, it becomes positive. So your answer should be 4 by 7, that will be positive. Now you have to see which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair. This 3 by 8 and 0. So here, whenever we have the positive rational number, means it should be always should be greater than 0. So here, what we can see here, this is 3 by 8. So it should be positive number and it should be greater than 0. So 3 by 8 is greater than 0. Now here, this is negative and this is 0. So you are going to consider this as 0. So minus 2 by this 0 is greater than this, minus 2 by 9. Here, from this one, the positive number is 1 by 4. This is negative, so definitely 1 by 4 will be greater. So always, the greater sign means you can see the crocodile mouth. It goes towards the bigger side. So you have to open the mouth over here. So this is the bigger number. Now from this one, what we can see, both are negative numbers, but we can see the denominators as 7. So always the bigger number means the smaller number. Whenever there is a negative sign, means the smaller number is going to be the bigger one. The denominator should be same. So minus 4 by 7 is greater. Minus 5 by 7 is smaller number. Now here we can see both are positive numbers, but the denominator is different. So what we are going to do, first we are going to make the denominator same by taking the LCM. So now 3 and 4, the LCM is going to be 12. So here, so you have taken, so that will be 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. So definitely 9 by 12 will be bigger. So now what we can do here, we can also write this one. This is not the final answer. Actually, we have made it. The original one for this one is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So you will write here 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. Hope you got this. This step is important. Now here, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. So both are negative. Minus 1 by 2 means it is going to be minus 0.5 and this is minus 1. So definitely the smaller number is going to be the greatest one. So minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 1. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair? Now again you can see here, this is 7, both are negative numbers. This is 3 and this is 7. So we have to take the LCM first and make the denominator same. So this is what I have done here. Now here the denominator is the same. So minus 28 and minus 24. The smaller number, wherever the negative number, smaller is going to be the greater one. So you have to open the mouth over here. So now this is also again not done. We have to take this down. So you have to just put the greater sign and other things are going to be the same. So now here, this is 7 by 9, minus 9 and minus 5 by 9. So what we can do here, actually you can just put here also negative sign, negative 7 by 9. While taking the LCM, you don't have to look at the sign. So now only the number remains, that is, the LCM will be 72. So now look at here. This is minus 56 by 72, minus 45 by 72. So both are minus means the smaller number is going to be the bigger one. So the mouth opens over here. Again, this is not done. You have to bring these numbers down. So only the sign is important over here. Now again, what you can do for this one, minus 1 by 3, and here is 4 by minus 5 means you can also put here. Why we can put here minus in the numerator? So now see here, whenever there is plus divided by minus, the answer is going to be minus. Or if it is minus divided by plus, that also is going to be minus. So you can take this one, this sign, the denominator negative sign in the numerator. So now 3 and 5, the LCM of that is going to be 15. So you can just see it is already solved over here. So now the smaller number, because both are negative, the smaller number is going to be bigger. So the mouth opens over here. So now this is again not done. You have to bring these numbers down and then put a sign. Again here we can do the same thing, because in the negative is in the numerator, so we can bring it in the, in the denominator, so we can bring it in the numerator. Same for this one. And then we are going to take the LCM. LCM of that is, you can check the LCM. I have already written it directly over here. You can do it with the help of the prime factorization method and check the LCM, that is 156. So 13 into 12 is going to be 156 and 12 into 13 is going to be 156. So this is 12, so this also should be multiplied by 12. This is 13, so that this also should be multiplied by 13. So 12 nines are 108 by 156, and here is 91 by 156. So now what we can see, this is a smaller number, so now minus 91 by 156. So what we can do here, again now you have to bring these numbers down. So here again, we can take this minus here up first in the first step. Here is already minus in the numerator. Then we will take the LCM, 5 and 10, LCM is 10. So 5 into 10, and here will be 4 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10, and 4 here, because this is multiplied by 2, this is going to multiply by 2, and this is 10. So this will be minus 8 by 10 and minus 7 by 10. So this is going to be what? You can also write this one. Say again, you will bring the, so the smaller number is minus 7 by 10. So you are going to put here minus 7 by the equal sign over here. So now look at here, minus 2 by 5 and minus 3. So whenever there is minus 3 means this is going to be 1. So what will you do here? The LCM is going to be 5. So here will be 1 into 5, and this will be minus 3 into 5. Here that should be 1, because the LCM is going to be 5. So that will be minus 12 by 5, or this will be minus 15 by 5. So that can be also written as, because now we can see minus 12 is smaller number, means that will be, because that is negative, means that is going to be bigger. So you are going to open the mouth over here and then bring these numbers down. So now the next one, filling the blanks with the correct symbol out of, either you have to put greater than sign, equal, and less than sign. So now we can see again here the same thing is there. The denominators are different, means you have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM. So LCM is 91 over here. So now you can see in the numerator both sides is negative. So minus 39, and this will be minus 42. So definitely minus 39 is going to be a bigger number. So you have to open the mouth over here. Now here 13 and 91, you can check by using the prime factorization method, because I did it directly taking the LCM, but you can do with this one 13 ones are, and then you will write here 7 ones are and 7 3 is a 13 ones are. Means what is the LCM over here? This is 13 and this is 7 into 13. So the common ones first and then the uncommon means 13 sevens are, that is 91. So here 13 sevens are 91 and here is already 91. So minus 35 over 91 and here again minus 35 over 91. So what you can see, both numbers are same, that is means that is going to be is equal to sign. So here again what we can do here, this is going to be 1. So here minus 2 into 5 by this one, minus 13 by 5. So that will be minus 10 by 5 and this will be minus 13 by 5. Always the smaller number will be bigger because both are negative. So the mouth opens over here. Now here you can write this one because this is minus, you can write it over here. So that will be minus 5 by 8. So when you take the LCM of this one, that is going to be 24. So 3 into 8 and 8 into 3. So both will be multiplied. So minus 16 by 24 and minus 15 by 24. So here is going to be minus 15 by 24. This will be the less sign. Now here this is 0 and this both minus means it is going to be plus. Minus divided by minus, that is going to be plus. So here this is going to be 3 by 5. Of course, when 0 and 3 by 5 is there, that means 3 by 5 will be a bigger number. So the mouth opens over here. Now for this one, the LCM is going to be 90. So into 10 into 9. So this is what is given. Both are negative. So now you have to go look for the smaller number. So the mouth is going to open over here. Now arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. So what are you going to do here? This is the question given here. First, what will you do? You will take the numbers from ascending means the small to big. So here we are just going to see the sign because here is 9. So this minus will go here. This will be the same. Here will be minus 7 by 18 and this will be the same. Now first what you are going to do, you are going to take the LCM of these 4 numbers. When you take the LCM of these 4 numbers, you can also do by this way 18 and 3. So by this one, the LCM is going to be 36. So here will be multiplied by 4, here will be 3, here will be 2 and here will be 12. 12 is 36. Same in the numerator. This is what is the I have written over here. So minus 13 by 36, 15, minus 15 by 36, minus 14 by 36, minus 24. So always this bounds from small to big. Small to big means because all are negative means we are going to look at the big number. Big number is the smaller one. So this will be here. Then this is going to be here. This is going to be here and this is going to be here. So now you are going to put the sign. Sign means now always what we are going to do is from small to big means this is the bigger number, right? So now this is smaller. So this is bigger than this one. This is bigger than this one. This is bigger than this one. So always you put in the reverse order. So now that is not done. What you have to do? You have to write for this one. What is that? The original is here. You have to write that is minus 2 by 3. That numbers you have to write it over here. You will check it. And then, so minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12 and minus for 24 by this one. What is that? That is minus 2 by 3. Then for minus 16, or you can, so what is the number? That is minus 4 by 9 is minus 16 and minus 5 by 12 that is 15 by 36. So 15 by 36 means that is will be here and 14 by 36 that will be, you have to check and that numbers you have to write it here. And then this is not again done because we have adjusted with the denominator's negative sign. Can you see here? Because in the denominator there were negative sign for that one, that also you have to adjust and then later on you have to write this step also. So now here again, first thing we will see for the denominator, the negative sign we will put in the numerator. This negative we are going to put, then we are going to take the LCM of these 4 numbers. So LCM is 48. So 4 12s are 48, 12 4s are 48, 16 3s are 48, and 24 2s are. Same thing over numerator, the same number in the numerator. So that is going to be minus 36 over 48, minus 20 over 48, minus 21 over 48, and minus 18 over 48. So now what we can see here, this is the smaller number, because the all are negative means we have to put in a, what did they ask? They have put in the ascending order, means small to big. Small to big means this is going to be the small number. The bigger number is going to be the smaller number. So 36, then 21, then 20, and then 18. Hope this step is clear to you. And then we are going to put the this sign, because what it says, this says that minus 36, this 21 is greater than this one. Then this says that this number is smaller, this number is greater than this number, and this says that this number is greater than this one. And now you will see minus 36 by 48. What is that? Minus 3 by 4. Then 21 here, by this will be minus 7 by 16. And for this one we can see that is minus 5 by 12, that is here. And the last number, that is minus 18 by this, that will be minus 9 by 24. So now again this is not done, because what was there, here was negative and here also was negative. That you have to adjust and write it over here. You have to make the changes for that one, because this was not the original minus 5 by 12, but it was 5 by minus 12. This was not minus 9 by 24, but it was 9 by minus 24. So this is the answer. So the next one here, again the same. Here first thing you will take the negative sign, you will take it in the numerator. The rest all is the same. You will take the LCM of this one. So LCM is 60. You will adjust the denominator to 60, means 5 12s are, 10 6s are, 15 4s are 60, and 23s are 60. And same thing in the numerator. So this is the step. So now it will be 36, 42, 44, and 39, all the negative signs. And of course the LCM is 60. So now, because it is from the ascending order, small to big, means you have to take the big number, 44, then 42, then 39 and 36. That is what is here. Now you are going to put the sign. And now this is not done. We have to put the original for 44 by 60. What is that? That is 11 by this one. So you know the previous one, what I have explained to that. And now this is not done. This step is not done because there was negative sign over here. 3 by minus 5, and here was minus 3 by 5. So you have to make it to 3 by minus 5. Rest everything is the same. So this is the answer. Now for here, again now what you can see, this is a negative sign. So you will take in the numerator, rest everything you are going to write the same. So this is only changes done here. And then you are going to take the LCM over here. So LCM for this all things, that is 84. Once again I say that you have to check the LCM with the help of the prime factorization, and because if you can write it directly, it's okay, but there are chances of making a mistake. So here, now what are you going to do? 7 12s are, 14 6 are 84, 28 3s are 84, 42 2s are 84. So same thing you are going to do over here. So this is going to be 48, this is going to be 54, this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 46. So now what you can see here, that is from small to big, means 54, the bigger number first, then because it is negative, then 48, then 46, and then 9. That is what is here. Then you are going to say same thing, but you are just going to put the sign, and then you are going to see what this 54 by 84 means. What that is, 54 by 84 means it's here. That will be minus 9 by 14, and you have to keep on checking. For minus 48 by 84, that will be minus 4 by 7, that is here. Minus 46 by 84, that is minus 23 by 42, that is here. Minus 9 by 84, that is minus 3 by 20. So that is minus 3 by 28, sorry, and not 13. So here, this is going to be 3. Okay. So now that is not done. So here what we are going to do, now we are going to look at the question here. What was the change we had done here? Because this was negative in the denominator. So 3 by minus 28 we had to write. So only the thing is here it was minus 3 by 28. So this is the only changes we have to do. Rest all numbers were the same. So this is the answer. Now let us see how to do this problem. Arrange the following rational numbers in the descending order. We have already seen in the ascending order. The same thing in the descending means from big to small. Ascending means from small to big. So here, what we have to do first thing, look at the denominator wherever there is negative sign. First that negative sign, bring it to the numerator. So these are the changes over here. Everything is the same. Then we'll take the LCM. Here there's just 2 means there will be 1. 1, 6, 3, 3. The LCM for that is 6. So what will you do here? 1 into 6. Here just 6. Here will be 2. Here also will be 2. So there's this step. So now minus 12 by 6, minus 13 by 6, minus 16 by 6 and 2 by 6. So now let us see here we have to do from big to small. Big to small means here all are negative and this is positive means definitely this is going to be bigger number. And then big means in the negative one we have to look at the smaller number. So this, then this and this one. So this is the step. So now what are we going to do? This 2 by 6, we'll just put the greater than sign. And then for this 2 by 6 is what? 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So we'll write here 1 by 3. Minus 12 by 6 is minus 2. And then minus 3 by, here minus 13 by 6. That is going to be my same minus 13 by 6. And here minus 16 by 6. That will be minus 8 by 3. This sign will be the same. But then this is not done. We have to look at the original. We had done some changes over here, this step. So only this, instead of this, we have to change this one. The rest things will be the same. So this is the final answer. Again for this one, you can check over here. All the steps have been done. The LCM is 60. So you have to make it the denominator to 60, 10 into 6, 15 into 4, 20 into 3, and 30 into 2. So this is the step. So the same thing in the numerator. So this is going to be minus 18 by 60, minus 33, minus 34. So now you have to look at the bigger number. Bigger number means here, because this all are negative, so the smaller number is going to be the bigger one. After 18 will be 28, 33 and 34 the same. Now you are just going to put the sign. Then you will look for the original. Minus 18 by 60, where is it? Minus 3 by 10. Minus 28 by 60 means minus 7 by 15. Minus 33 by 60, that will be minus 11 by 20. And this is here. So that is written over here, putting the sign. And then you are going to look at the original one. What we have made the changes is only at this point, because this was in the denominator. So for this one, you will write this is the answer. Again, for this one, you don't need more of the explanation because it's the same, but if the numbers are different, you will take the LCM. Here the LCM is 72. And once again, I repeat that find out the LCM. Here I have written it directly, but you will find it with the help of the prime factorization method. Here 12 6 is 72. Again here 12 is 72, 12 6 is 72, 18 4 is 72, and 24 3 is 72. So the same changes in the numerator. This is the step. Again now multiply and write the same thing. So now you have to look at a bigger number because all are negative. So smaller will be the bigger one. So this will be the first, second, then third and fourth. So this is the step. So you have to write with this sign. And then again you are going to write the original. Minus 42 by 72 is minus 7 by 12 and so on. And then whatever the changes we made in the first was just for this negative one, that will be done here. The rest will be the same. Again here, you can just have a look at it. So here there is no changes to be made, but only we will take the LCM, that is 132, and then you can just have a look at it. That is a solved one. So this is, sorry for this one, this will be 11 because minus 120 by 132, that will be minus 10 by 11. So this is the answer. Now here it says that which of the following statements are true and which are false. So every whole number is a rational number. So this is true. Why? Because if we take any number 0, 1, 2, 3, even if it is a whole number, in the denominator we have 1. See here, 0 divided by 1 is 0, 1 divided by 1 is 1, 2 divided by 1 is 2, 3 divided by 1 is 3. So you know the rational number means it should be in the form of p by q. So every whole number is a rational number, so the answer should be true. Every integer is a rational number because the positive and the negative integers, if we take any one, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, any number if we take, so in the denominator everywhere there will be 1, so it will be in the form of p by q. So every integer also is a whole number, so it is true. Now 0 is a whole number, but it is not a rational number. It is false because even as I told you earlier, 0 divided by 1 is 0. So this is in the form of p by q. So they said 0 is a whole number, but it is not a rational number. It is a rational number. So this is a false. Now we'll go with the next exercise, that is 1b. Represent each of the following numbers on the number line. So 1 by 3 is given. So you will draw a number line 1, 2, 3, and this is not 0 but O. We'll just take this point as O. So now 1 by 3 means it will be in between this here. This is actually you can start here with 0 and you can mark this as O. So from 0 to 1. So now this is by 3 parts. You have to divide it into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. So that is the first one. The marking, this is going to be 1 by 3. So this is the answer. So we can just put here this as x, this first one. So OX is 1 by 3. Now here 2 by 7. So from here 0 to 1, this is 2. So now what will you do? 2 by 7. So here you are going to divide it into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7th one. So 2 by 7 means this is going to be the second one by this one. So this is going to be x. So OX is 2 by 7. One integer 3 by 4. One integer 3 by 4 means you are going to take here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. We can just give randomly numbers. And it is one integer 3 by 4. So this is the whole number. And this 3 by 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to divide it into 4 parts. And the third one you are going to take, because this is, you are going to look at the numerator, that is the third one. This you are going to consider x. So that OX is what? 1 plus 3 by 4, because this is the whole number 1 plus 3 by 4, that will be 1. One integer 3 by 4. Two integer 2 by 5. This 2 means this is a whole number. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, we can just give till 3 or 4, whatever it is. But now here what we will do, 2 by 5 means we are going to look at the denominator, that is 5. So you are going to divide it into after 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. So 2 in the numerator. So we are going to take it, we are going to stop here at this point. That is 1 and 2. So at this one, so we will just consider this as x. So that will be, this is the whole number and this is 2 by 5. So this is the point. So we can write here OX from O to X, how it is, that is O to B, that is 2, and then from BX, O to B, that is 2, that is here shown over here. Again, 3 integer 1 by 2. So we will write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and look at the denominator, it is divided into 2 parts. So 1 and this 2 after 3. 3 is a whole number, and here you have to look at the numerator, that is the first point. So this is going to be x. So now what is OX from O to X will be, we will take here, because this is 3, so you will take here OC plus this CX. OC plus CX means 3 plus 1 by 2, that will be 3 integers 1 by 2. Now we have 5 integers 5 by 7. So you will go for the whole numbers till 5. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 by 7. So from here to here you are going to divide this 7. You are going to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you are going to look at the numerator, that is the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the arrow. So that will be 5 integers 5 by 7. So this from O to X, that is going to be what? O to E, that is 5, and E to X. O to E, that is 5 plus E to X, that is 5 by 7. That will be 5 integers 5 by 7. Again from here, 4 integers 2 by 3 means you will go till 4, and this one going to look at the denominator, that you are going to divide into 3, 1, 2 and 3, and the numerator is 2. So from this second point from here, that is going to be this here, 4 integers 2 by 3. And same thing you can write here. What is OX? OX is what? 4 first we'll write here, that will be OD plus DX. OD is 4 plus DX 2 by 3, that will be 4 integers 2 by 3. Now this is 8, so this is a simple one. From 0 to 8 you will do, so you will put a point over here, so this is 8. Now represent each of the following numbers on the number line. Again here minus 1 by 3. So here, because this is minus, so you will write here 0, minus 1, minus 2. So look at the denominator, this is 3. So 1, yeah, because if we are going in this order, so we are going to consider this as 1, 2 and 3. So now that is minus 1 means this is the first point from 0. So this you are going to consider and not this one, because we are going in the reverse order because it's negative 1. So you are going to consider this point, this as 1 and not this point. Hope this is clear. Now for here, minus again here, minus 3 by 4 means you will start from 0, minus 1, minus 2. Again 4 divisions, because this is the denominator, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. But then you are going on the third one from here, 1, 2 and 3, and you are showing it minus 3 by 4 over here. So because this is in the reverse order. Minus 1 integer 2 by 3. So you will write here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. and this is 3 divisions after minus 1. So 1, 2 and 3, and then you are going to look at the numerator 2. This after 2 points, so this will be the point. Again this you will have a look at it. Minus 3, 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the first one. Minus 4, look at the denominator, we are going to divide into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will look at the numerator, the third one, 1, 2 and 3. So this, we can show the arrow for this one. Now this is minus 2, so here is minus 2. Then you are going to look at, divide it into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. And then you are going to look at the numerator, that is the fifth part, you are going to mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will show error, and so that will be minus 2 into just 5 by 6. So this is one of the easiest one. You have to just show on the negative 3. Again here, minus 2 into just 7 by 8. So you are going to divide it into 8 parts from after minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you are going to go on the 7th one. So this is the 7th one. Here you are going to show the arrow. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Now here, minus 3 by 5 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. So now you know this is a number line. This is 0, 1, 2. This on the right hand side. This is the right hand side. So these all are the positive integers. And on the left hand side, these all are the negative integers. So now what are you going to do here? They said minus 3 by 5 lies to the left. So it is, even if it is in a fraction, but that is minus means it will lie somewhere over here, and to the left means that is true. Again here they said minus 12 by 7 lies to the right of 0 on the number line. Right of 0. Now see here. Right of 0 is here. So minus 12 by 7 doesn't lie on the right of 0. So this is a false one. This is the right hand side. Here are all positive integers. The rational numbers 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 2 are on opposite sides of 0 on the number line. Yes. So here now this is 0, opposite side. Here 1 by 3 means that is a positive integer. So it will be here. And minus 5 by 2 means it will be somewhere over here. So to the opposite sides of the 0 means yes, these are the positive and these are the negative. So it is true. The rational number minus 18 by 13 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. So when we write a minus 18 by minus 13, so this is a division sign. So minus and minus becomes plus. So this is actually 18 by 13. So does this lie to the left? On the left, this is the left side and this is the right side. On the left are all the negative integers and not the positive ones. So this is a false.